So we begin with a call to community. We begin with a call for the community to join together for this very sacred task. You know, in ancient days, a Levite would stand at the corner of the Temple Mount and blow a shofar to call the community together.
Honey on our tongue.
It's my honor to be here and kind of kick off what I think is going to be an amazing event this year.
It is a very sacred trust to have this Torah.
I am so delighted but not surprised by your presence here tonight.
Tonight, we will open a door that is indeed a magic door. The Sofer will help us to open that door.
Those words will be read in this congregation again.
You're going to be able to make your mark in this Torah.
Baruch Atah Adonai Eloheinu Melech haolam asher kidshanu b'mitzvotav v'tzivanu la'asot b'divrei Torah la'asot b'divrei Torah.
Hey, what's going on? What's with all the fuss and the parading around?
We're celebrating the birth of a new Torah.
That's silly. A Torah can be born like a child.
Well, with the help of this congregation, this Torah will be born again.
You might want to rephrase that.
Yeah, I see your point.
Sweet as honey, sweet as honey, sweet as honey on our tongue. Sweet as honey, sweet as honey, sweet as honey on our tongue.
L'shem, mitzvah, ketivah, sefer, Torah. Mazel tov, mazel tov.
That is the legacy of this Torah that we begin to renew tonight. The legacy of this Torah that we have all participated in over all these years, and now will truly bring back to life over the course of this year.
Sweet as honey, sweet as honey, sweet as honey on our tongues of Torah. Sweet as honey, sweet as honey, sweet as honey on our tongues of Torah. Sweet as honey, sweet as honey, sweet as honey on our tongues of Torah. Sweet as honey, sweet as honey, sweet as honey on our tongue.
And when you hug this scroll, you really feel that it is yours.